If you want lush parsley that grows fast and stays strong, the way you plant parsley at the end of winter makes a huge difference. Many people sow parsley without preparation and then wait weeks for results. With this simple method, parsley germinates faster, develops a stronger root system, and produces more leaves. Parsley can be planted at the end of winter as soon as the soil can be worked. Parsley is cold tolerant and does not mind low temperatures. Early parsley sowing allows the plant to use natural soil moisture and grow steadily without stress. One of the biggest mistakes with parsley is planting dry parsley seeds. Parsley seeds contain natural oils that slow down germination. That is why soaking parsley seeds before planting is essential. Place parsley seeds in lukewarm water for 12 to 24 hours. Change the water once or twice. This step helps parsley sprout much faster. After soaking, lightly dry the parsley seeds so they do not stick together. Do not let them dry completely. The soil for parsley should be loose, fine, and free of large clumps. Parsley grows best in rich, well-drained soil that holds moisture without staying wet. Sow parsley seeds shallow, no deeper than ½ an inch. Leave about 8 inches between rows. If parsley is sown too densely, thinning will be needed later. Gently press the soil after planting parsley to ensure good contact with the seeds. Watering parsley is very important during the early stage. The soil should stay slightly moist at all times. If the soil dries out, parsley germination can stop. When parsley seeds are soaked, the first parsley shoots often appear within 10 to 14 days. Parsley grows best in full sun but also tolerates partial shade. A location with several hours of sunlight each day is ideal for parsley. Once parsley plants are established, watering can be less frequent but still regular. For lush parsley growth, light feeding helps a lot. Compost or a mild nettle tea supports healthy parsley leaves. Avoid strong chemical fertilizers, as parsley easily accumulates nitrates. Harvest parsley regularly by cutting the outer leaves, but never remove all leaves at once. This encourages continuous parsley growth. When parsley is planted correctly at the end of winter, it can provide fresh, flavorful leaves for many months. This parsley planting method truly works. Faster sprouting, stronger plants, and abundant parsley harvest early in the season.